Alright guys, have you noticed how insanely popular animal-themed AI shorts are on YouTube right now? A great storyline and a lovable character series can easily rack up millions, yes, millions of views. Take this channel, for example. They use a cute little rabbit as their main character and have only uploaded 31 videos. But each one gets tons of views. They're almost at 3 million subscribers and making at least $6,500 per month from YouTube ads alone. Now, some of you might have heard that AI-generated videos can't pass YouTube's monetization program, YPP. Really? Who told you that? Maybe the same person who's secretly making money from AI videos themselves. Anyway, let's double-check with a handy tool. It's a Chrome plugin called YouTube Monetization Checker. Once installed, click Check this channel, and bam! You can clearly see this channel is fully monetized. Now let's take a look at one of their super popular AI shorts. Some of you might wonder why these videos are so hot when they obviously look AI generated, right? Well, here's the thing. A good storyline, smooth editing, and even just average visuals are often more than enough to hook an audience. Check out the comments. People mostly talk about the friendship and the emotions, not the graphics. And now that ChatGPT 4.0 is here, you can create even better looking and more emotionally engaging stories. In fact, I made one myself. Check this out. If we say the benchmark video is about a 60 out of 100 visually, my version using ChatGPT 4.0 hits around 70-80. Imagine pairing this with an awesome script. It could seriously make high-quality AI short series. What do you think? Alright, now I'll show you step-by-step how to create your own AI animal short using ChatGPT 4.0. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'll also share some fun bonus tips for ChatGPT 4.0 image generation. Trust me, it's going to be awesome. Let's jump right in. The process has 4 main parts: creating a story, generating images, creating videos, editing. Step 1. Creating the story. First, generate your storyline with ChatGPT. The easiest way? Drop an example video into ChatGPT and let it analyze the plot. If ChatGPT can't recognize the video or misses details, no worries. Just manually feed it the plot details using your prompt and let ChatGPT handle the rest. You might choose help rewrite the plot as a script for a new video, or ask it to create a fresh story entirely. Here, I asked it specifically for a story starring our rabbit character. Initially, ChatGPT created 3 new stories with just 8 scenes each. Too basic, right? If you want more emotional depth, keep chatting. For example, I took the first story called The Last Apple, gave ChatGPT a prompt to expand it emotionally, and boom, it expanded to 14 scenes. Much better, right? Pro tip. If you're not fully satisfied, keep talking with ChatGPT. Clarify your vision, and soon enough, you'll get a storyline you're happy with. Alright, once you have your story, ask ChatGPT for animation prompts. This time, let's give Hailuo AI a try. Step 2. Generating images. Now, with ChatGPT 4o's recent upgrade, image generation got significantly better. Just copy-paste your storyboard prompts into ChatGPT to make sure it knows exactly what visuals you want, and voila! ChatGPT quickly generates the first storyboard image. Looks amazing, right? The visuals and composition are fantastic. Repeat this process to generate images for all your scenes. You'll notice the consistency and quality are impressive. Pretty cool, right? Step 3. Image to video. Here, we'll use hailuo AI. If it's your first time, signing up gives you 1,000 free credits for first 3 days. Each video costs about 30 credits, which is plenty. Log in, click Create Video, upload your image, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. hailuo AI can generate up to 3 videos simultaneously, so don't waste time. Jump right into creating videos for your next scenes, too. Pro tip for newbies. Skip camera controls initially, or your video might get weird, like this one. Oops. Another tip. Register multiple accounts and work on them simultaneously to speed up the process. Once your videos are ready, download and number them to keep your editing organized. Step 4. Editing. Open CapCut and import all your video clips. Drag each clip to your timeline. Trim unnecessary or awkward bits. Then resize and remove watermarks. Next, add the black fade transition. Then layer in your sound effects. Finish it off by adding background music. Make sure to adjust volume and delete any extra parts. Finally, apply a filter. Personally, I love Clear 2. And now your video is ready for export. By now, you should have a pretty solid understanding of the entire workflow, right? If anything isn't clear, feel free to replay parts of this video. Gotta say, ChatGPT 4o's image gen update is pretty game-changing, with tons of fun ways to use it. Try change this image to 3D style. Or maybe change this image to Ghibli style. Studio Ghibli style is super trendy right now. Swap clothing between images, like let the man in image 2 wear image 1's clothes. Combine multiple characters into one image. Or make hilarious selfies like Einstein hanging with Steve Jobs. Simple prompts, stunning results. Of course, you can explore even more ideas like fitness meal plans, poster designs, and more. Fun, right? All right, friends, that's all for today's video. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Catch you guys in the next video. Good luck!